Hi, my name is Bree Clark and I'm a software expert. Today I'm going to show you how to remove trailing spaces in Excel. In the list I have in front of me, it doesn't look like anything is really off. But if I highlight column C and try to right align it, things don't quite line up. And that's because there are spaces trailing at the end of these street address values. So I'm going to go back to a left alignment and I'm going to show you how to trim that data to get rid of the trailing spaces. I'm going to start by clicking in a blank cell, typing an equal sign, and then typing trim for the trim function. Then I'll open the parentheses, click on the cell I want to trim, and close the parentheses. And when I press enter, it looks pretty much the same. But let's keep going. I'm going to click on this new formula and then use the bottom right handle to drag the formula down. Then I'll do an auto fit and I'll right align these values. Notice how they all line up nicely because those trailing spaces have been trimmed. So now the last step is to do a Control C to copy those and then click in the original values, go up to the paste button and choose paste values. Now I can right align this column without any problems. My name is Bree Clark, I'm a software expert, and I just showed you how to remove trailing spaces in Excel.